Just outside Orlando, in central Florida, you'll find Kissimmee, a town known for its warm weather, friendly spirit, and deep-rooted love of tradition. At the heart of it all is Kissimmee Old Town, a place that feels like stepping back into classic American history. Old Town is famous for its nostalgic charm, vintage cars lining the streets during weekly car shows, glowing neon signs, live music, and family-owned shops that have been welcoming visitors for years. There's a relaxed, old-fashioned atmosphere here, where people stroll instead of rush, enjoy simple rides and arcades, and sit down for a proper meal in traditional diners. This is the kind of place that reminds you how entertainment used to be: honest, social, and full of character, while still offering plenty to enjoy today. If you want to experience the timeless side of Florida, Kissimmee Old Town is a stop that truly captures the spirit of the past, still alive and well. The Kissimmee Old Town Car Show is a true celebration of classic American car culture. This long-running tradition brings beautifully restored vintage cars, hot rods, and timeless classics right onto the streets, creating an atmosphere that feels straight out of another era. Every car tells a story: polished chrome, powerful engines, and designs that remind us how craftsmanship used to come first. With music playing, people gathering, and that unmistakable nostalgic vibe, the Kissimmee Car Show is more than an event. It's a piece of living history that continues to bring generations together. If you love classic cars and that old-school Americana spirit, this is something you don't want to miss. You can watch my full video about the Kissimmee Car Show on my YouTube channel, where I take you right into the heart of this unforgettable experience. While you're exploring Kissimmee Old Town, a visit to Fun Spot America is an absolute must. Just steps away, this classic amusement park adds even more energy and excitement to the Old Town atmosphere. It's the perfect place to mix nostalgia with pure fun. From thrilling roller coasters and fast-paced go-karts to arcade games and bright lights after dark, Fun Spot America keeps that traditional fairground spirit alive. It's easygoing, family-friendly, and full of character, the kind of place where you can laugh, relax, and enjoy the moment. When you're in Kissimmee Old Town, Fun Spot America completes the experience. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other videos on the channel for more travel, places, and hidden gems. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.